Yo, what's up? Hey, what's up, my dear beloveds? It's your girl Chris again, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys the quickest, the easiest, the fastest way to do my version of box braids. So if you're looking forward to how I do that, then continue watching. Okay, one, you will already need to have braids in your hair, okay? And the parting will have to be a square shaped, okay? As you can see, square shape. The easiest way for me to start off with my box braids is from the back, working forward. What you'll do is just find some boxes that you have in your home. I have this old Go-Gurt box, and I have this toasted crackers that I've used. I also have an oatmeal cream pie box that I love dearly, and I have a Reggio's pizza box. So just find some boxes that will work for you, and we'll get right into it. You're also going to need some tape. So I'm going to start off with the back portion here. So what I will do is open this up. So we're going to open it up. We're going to stick the braids inside of the box, okay? So we're kind of going to want to squeeze that in, kind of squish it in together like that. You'll get the tape. You're going to tape the smush part together. That way it can hold in the hair, okay? You're also going to do the bottom part as well. So I went ahead and did the other side with the Go-Gurt. So you're going to take the pizza box and basically, see, this is like more like a cardboard box. You're going to roll it like that. Ow. So easy. Woo. All right, it's coming along really good. As I'm telling you, this is like the most easiest way to do box braids. Like, some people spend like hours in a day to do their box braids. For me, it don't take that long. All right, and you are all done. You can do the half up, half down style. You can do whatever you want with these. It can be a little heavy, especially it can be a little challenging when you go to bed, but just make sure you just wrap it up in the scarf, okay? Let me know what you guys think of this tutorial, and let me know, like, tag me in your videos if you're gonna try it. Let me know what you guys think, and yeah, look forward to my next video. Bye.